Some of the key takeaways that I actually took from the event was, number one was how a lot of people struggle with creating content on TikTok and how people get so frustrated with the app that they just stop creating altogether. And the last thing that I took away was that people just think that creating content on TikTok is really, really hard. And I get the reason as to why people think that. So I made this masterclass to kind of break down all those myths and really make it very simple for anybody that is wanting to start on TikTok but really doesn't know where to start, whether you're posting on Instagram, whether you're creating content on LinkedIn or on Facebook. This will give you literally the tool to answer your question on where do I get started. And I think this is the best thing that you can do if you don't know where to start, you don't want to invest in a coach, or like you're not ready to take that next step, but you're okay with paying a little bit of money just to watch this masterclass, literally less than a night out meal, then this is the perfect solution for you, because I've been hearing a lot of people around me as well, in addition to the coaches that were on this call, that are posting on Instagram and they're good with the reels, but they don't know where to start on TikTok and they just need some advice or somebody to help to teach them. This is a perfect tool, and this is exactly the resource that you need to watch. And it's so simple, it's literally understood by a 5-year-old. So I hope this helps.